Hello, everybody. Good evening. This is Rajni from Sashakt Empowering Lives, and the much awaited math booklets are here, Volume 1 and Volume 2. So, a very quick video here because a lot of people have been asking me that when are the math volumes coming up, and because math is something which is actually my way of doing it is a little different, that I incorporate it with ADLs and real life learnings and real life everyday incidents where math is used. So it was a little lengthy process to make these, so I'll quickly run you through. This is your volume 1 table of contents. So it has got ascending and descending, then arranging, then addition and subtraction, activities, carry, borrow, mental math, word problems, multiplication and division, then fill in the blanks tables, then solve, then time, identify the time, make the clock faces, answer the following. So these are the because it is all activity driven, so we can't have more than a particular few. So we've got 1, 2, 3 and 4 main headings in book 1, and okay, 4 main headings in book 1. I'm told that I'm moving away from camera, so I'll put it here. And it's a very interesting, picturesque booklet for children, and there are activities and there is enough of skill and application orientation. So here, arrange in ascending and descending order, and then addition and subtraction. So there are activities how you do. Also my YouTube channel links I've mentioned because it'll be a practical demo of how you teach. So you look at it in the YouTube video. From you copy the link from here, you just put it in your computer, you see, and then you do the activity here, and thereafter you take it forward. So it's very colorful, so the child will also enjoy doing these, followed by the word problems, which is what I really focus a lot on, because word problem means comprehension abilities. So word problems in volume 1 are very basic, okay. So but then the children have to first learn the basic word problems, and thereafter in volume 2 we go on to the word problems of real life, so they become complicated. Within one word problem you have addition, subtraction, multiplication and division, all of them together. So the next lesson, multiply and divide again. So you most of the times children have problem with spacing, so that is why, so the boxes and everything made and it's colorful so that children know how to go forward with it, and then the arrows are there so they don't make mistake. Also I'll give you a soft copy of this so that you can just keep taking on the papers and keep printing and using. Again, with the clock you start from the very basic of setting the clock face and then identifying the time and everything, and then real life sums on clock. What time you go off to sleep, so you draw that time. Okay, the time is 9. What was the time 30 minutes before? So parent will have to actually help with the artificial clock or maybe a non-working clock like this, and it becomes very tangible for the kid to understand. Then same thing on the time. I went to the mall 5 days ago. Today is Friday. When did I go to the mall? So calendar and clock and questions like that. So this is about your book 1. So it has all the relevant topics that kids in the first primary years of school will require, and many of our even older children where there are learning gaps, they also benefit with volume 1. And volume 2, again you have money, weights, measures, distance, real life math problems. Again, someone might say that weights and measures for my kid, oh my god, he's just doing addition. But this is very basic, and it's like all the things that the children will need from a basic to a senior level. So again, table of contents is there. You can see there's money, weights, measures, distance, real life math problems and activity based. Alright, so this is, I tried compiling everything into one booklet, but it wasn't possible. The cost per booklet goes exceptionally high then. So we had to do it into 2 booklets. Okay, so this is again, now these are very real life based. Money questions. So burfi is rupees 390 a kg, cake 65 a kg. So here you will write the name of your kid. So say for example, Jay Aditya has bought 2 kgs of burfi, 1 kg of laddu, 5 kg dokla, and 2 bottles of coke, and here is your rate list. So then when you have done volume 1 and you've done multiplication, then you apply that knowledge here and you say, okay, 5 kgs, how many kgs of burfi have I written? 1 kg laddu, 2 kgs of burfi. That means 390 gets multiplied by 2, and then the entire thing, whatever it gets multiplied. So you will require a rough notebook and you'll sit with the kid, but they will have a great mental imaging to understand math in their day-to-day everyday life. Again, at the grocers, then different kind of questions. 2 kgs of burfi cost 900. What will be the cost of 1 kg burfi? Because we have done division here in this booklet. Now we to get it conceptually here, and you can substantiate it with my YouTube videos on how to teach multiply and divide, so that it's a holistic learning. And these are real life things which you can actually do, so the kid will learn. You can, it's a lot of ADL involved. You can go with the kid to a shop, and whatever is written, you can say, let's pick it up from here, look at the bill and do it over here, so that the kid gets. And a lot of language can be incorporated into it, where the kid is saying, bhaiya 2 kilo barfi dena, ye wali nahi, ye wali dena. There's choice making coming in. You are saying taste the two, say which one you want 2 kg. So weights and measures coming in, ye zyada lag raha hai, isko kam kar lete hain. So like this, so with one topic you are covering so many more. So like this. So again, this is mostly real life based problem sums. And then along with that, you have the money combinations. How do you make? So you sit down, so make 176. So the kid is making and then writing here 50 rupee plus 50 rupee plus 50 rupee plus 20 rupee, plus 5 rupee plus 1 rupee. So they are making it and they are doing it. So, and then they can have various combinations. So next lesson, weights and measures and distances. So again, 5 kgs of onion and 3 kgs of onion is how much onion? Now basically it's a addition sum, but it's also a sum on weights and measures. So that's the easy bit. Slowly you go forward and you go forward and you teach the kid how to make these combinations. So similarly, please draw lines with the following lengths. So this is for measures. So 15 centimeters, you're taking a scale. Also, we have got inferential questions here, like mummy got 5 kgs of mangoes. So, here you have to give a mental image formation. How much would be 5 kgs? So you'll probably pick up, if not mangoes, onions. These many are 5 kgs. And then mummy says, please keep all the mangoes in the fridge. You say no. Is mummy right? Now, you might think it's not a math question, but it's also inferential thinking question, that if we keep the mangoes outside, they will rot. At the same time, it's a weights and measures question, because you're weighing and you know that 5 kgs would weigh a lot more than. So it's not just restricted to the textbook, that 5 kgs and 2 kgs. And then there are conversions. So you say 5 kgs means 5,000 grams, whereas a 500 grams is much lesser. So it's basically holistically getting the kid to know. So here you have the conversions, everything that your child will need in real life. So lessons in real life math problem. Again, so 25 apples on a tree, 5 fell off, 6 new apples come up. So it's simple plus and minus, but at the same time, it's something your kid will use in real life and get street smart, which is what is really needed when it comes to math. I've seen children doing 1, 2, 4, 7, 5, 9, 8, 6 divided by 2, 49. But if you tell them you got 3 packets of chips, each one cost you 10 rupees, how much money you will give? They don't know. So the point is that any kind of learning is good if it helps a child develop independent living skills. And here is basically what I've tried to do out of my years of experience, try to put into something where this can help them do. So if you are going to a florist, you are picking up different flowers. So 4 pink flowers, 7 red flowers. Per pink flower is how much, and 7. So it's basically simple multiply. But these are things they will do in real life. So this booklet is all about. So this is volume 2. So this is a combo. I would suggest all parents to go for both volume 1 and 2, because these are things which the child is going to need in times to come. Volume 3, 4, all of that is in process. Those will be fractions and decimals and percentages and cost, price and selling price, but those will take time. But right now, plus, minus, multiply, divide, and how they show up in our real life is what is there in these two booklets. So booklet 1 is mostly skill based and booklet 2 is mostly application based. However, in one also you have lots of application also. So, and plus, minus, multiply, divide, along with that your time, your measurements, your distances, so all of those questions. So these are available now. So this video comes up to tell you about these two booklets. Again, the pricing I've kept the same as all other. This is 500 each booklet, and if you go for set of 2, it will be 1000. And the universal scheme that I have, that for set of 5 books, which is for math it's not applicable, but you can pair it with, if you need English books, so you can take 2 of math and 3 of English, or 2 of math, 2 of Hindi, 1 of English, or 1 of EVS. So 5 books or more, and I'll give you a 10% off. But here, math 2 books, each one is 500. They will come with soft copies. In case you are interested and you want to place your order, please message me on 8800065000 or 7021777777. In fact, I'm so used to saying 8800 that the number comes up first. But preferably message me on 7021777777 and just tell me that you're interested. I will send you the payment details and I shall have the books couriered to you. Thank you so much on that note, and may each kid win. There are more books coming up in the series. There are inferential thinking, problem solving. What will you do if you get stuck in this situation? What will you do if something like this happens? Why do you think so? Someone got angry. So all of that is in the process. But for now, we have math volumes book 1 and 2. And here's Rajni signing off. Thank you so much. Bye bye. For your orders, you can message me 7021 77777. May each kid win.